going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hangout gang. Gonna look at some charts today. I know it's been a while since I've been on there, but I have been very, very active in my Discords. So if you're not in my Discord, you're missing out because I give plays in there all the time. Um, Maybe at the end of this month, I'll start giving out the links up to it. It will be a paywall. It will be $100 a month, and you will be getting all of the plays that I give my Discord, and you can get all the percentages. All right. So right now, we're just looking at some plays. I had did this to my group Bitcoin, the Bitcoin to my group on Discord earlier. Told them to buy the breakout, and if you missed the breakout, get the retrace. Right now, it's retracing, and as you can see, that RSI is come down. It is at 50. It needs to come down some more to around 35 before you have a bounce. Let's go look at the Fibonacci. We're going to take the Fibonacci from the very bottom of this right here. And if you do that, the 3-2 is right here at 83,194. The golden pocket is right here at 76,000. So if you're looking for like a swing trade or something like that, then let's see on the daily, see what it looks like. Oh, the daily is oversold. So looks like, when that daily comes down, this is the daily. The golden pocket is right here at 76,934, as you can see. So I expect for at some point in time for it to come down and have some type of retracement, as always, because it has had a, what percentage run up is this? Let me see. What percentage run up is this. The fuck is that on the damn horn? So from, no, I want to go back that far. August 23. January the 24th up until now. Bitcoin has run up 141%. So yeah. All right. So now let's go look at some stuff. We're gonna do some charting here. I gave this to my group, Book of Meme. As you can see, these are the take profit points right here. This is on the daily chart. It hasn't actually hit none of those yet. Hit the first take profit level. I decided not to take that profit, but I probably will, because right here looks like we have a spinning top right here. So it looks like we're going to get a price reversal back down towards here for a double bottom. You have one bottom right here, another bottom right there, or somewhere over here, and then it's blast off moon mission. Okay, so that bottom of boom, this is Book of Meme, boom. So right now it's hit my TP profit, so I could sell some right now. So I'll go ahead and sell it all that I have right now real quick. Boom, that was successful. All right, so now let's go in here and look for the next trade. Let's see what we can find here. Let's go. I really liked it, Brett, but it took off. It already left. I'm kind of pissed about that, as you can see right here. I gave Brett to my group last night, and well, did we give it to the group or did we give it to X? Let's see. I think we gave it to X. Did I give it to X? I think so. Ando, Pendo. No, I gave MBS. Okay. So I must have gave it to the Discord. I must have gave it to the Discord then. Cool. But as you can see, it broke out right here. You can see it better on the hour. Had that breakout right here. It formed another channel right there. Broke out of that channel. And as you can see, coming back and retesting. So if it bounced, you could get a bounce right here off this RSI right here. But you got a little shark fin right here. So more than likely, you're going to get that price actually fall down. And this right here, 13 cents and 87 cents will be 13,371 would be support. Okay, it would be a great entry point, or you can get in at 10.40. Okay, let's go look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance actually. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance is right above that trend line on the hourly. Let's look at the daily. Get a better look. There we go. As you can see right here, back in April, I told you guys that, not April, but in July, I told you that reverse head and shoulders pattern was forming. As you can see, it formed, boom, blast off. Right, so now we have Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, came up right here. It still was under this trend line right here. So you're probably going to see some money flowing to the altcoins here for a couple of days, maybe a day or two. And this right here would be that support line right here. So if it pulls back right here, you could get a double bottom. But if it pulls back right here, expect the total market cap in the altcoins, expect for them take off a little bit and run a little bit. Let's go look at the total three. Where are you at total? Okay, this is the market cap minus Ethereum. As you can see, severely overbought. So it's actually about to pull back and retest this right here. So altcoins are about to bleed. And this is altcoins including Ethereum. Same thing, below the trend line. About to come back down and retest right here. So this is about to be a buying opportunity on any altcoin coming up soon. Because like I said, as you can see, this is the altcoin market cap excluding Bitcoin, excluding Ethereum. No, including Ethereum. So as you can see, it's about to come back down to the trend line or to the channel and retrace. So you're going to have a pullback on the altcoins, and it looks like it's already started a little bit now. Let's go look at the banter bubbles. Here it is. As you can see, the market is red, 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 and red. Right? So let's get right here. Lots of red, except for ACT. ACT is the only one. ACT is up. Let's go look at ACT. Let's go see what that candle that ACT did. And wow. On the daily. 8 hour. And it's forming a 4 hour. And on the hourly, it is forming a upward trend line. As you can see. Right? So I would wait till, well, actually it's forming a channel. And what am I saying? It's forming an upward channel. Got it right here. Boom, boom. And it just broke out of that channel, right? So let me go look at a small time frame. Oh, you got that rounded bottom. Rounded bottom pays the bills. If you're in the trading group, you know anything about that, rounded bottom does pay the bills. Let's see here. Let's go look at XRP. It had a nice little pump on that. Let's go look at that daily. It hasn't broke just yet. Let's see here. Let's chart this Moody's drawings. Clean this chart up a little bit. As you can see, we have a little bit of choppiness. Looks like it's hitting resistance right now. As you got a nice little resistance point right here. Boom, boom. Go ahead and find the support. A little bit tricky on the support line right here. I'm gonna go with this right here because we got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches on that. So we're gonna go with that light right there. That's what that gonna look like. All right. So as you can see, you got that channel right there on the daily, and see the breakout. After it breaks out, you can see XRP go to $1.41 and then $1.96. Right, so XRP is in this channel right here. This is on the daily chart. So after it breaks out, you will see XRP hit $1.40, and then you will see it hit a dollar. What is this? $1.96, right under $2. Okay. So let's go back and look at that daily. As you can see, there's the channel right there. There is the ranging that it's doing in between the channel. And you got a pump today because XRP came on Robinhood and on, XRP got listed on Robinhood and something else, I think. So therefore, you got a pump. Pumped hard, pumped real hard too. Alright, so that right there pumps real quick. Forgot to put that in the group. Put it in the Discord real quick too. My Discord it. There you go, my Discord. Post let's go. Boom, bam. All right. All right. So like I said, XRP, it's in that channel right there. You have the top right here. You have a resistance. Okay. So we could buy the breakout, but it looks like it's going to pull back down. It's going to pull back down here towards 46 cents. That would be a good entry point. Let's see here. Yeah, it's going to pull back hard. Get my volume in here. You can see you got that volume in, so you got that pump. But looks like it may go up some more because, let me see here. Let's look at this 5 minute. Go look at precisely. Okay, so that 5 minute is coming down. RSI is coming down. RSI is at 49. He's coming down to 35. He's coming down to about here. So you could probably it's probably gonna come down to right here to 61 cents again before it bounces. If it falls below 61 cents, then it's gonna come all the way down to this 45. But as you can see, we do have a little mini upward trend line right here. Boom, boom, and it's forming a triangle. So it's gonna break out of that. It's gonna break out of that soon. So to the downside, to the upside, but more likely to the downside. It's on the hourly, as you can see, it's coming down. If there's any coins you want me to look at, please put them in the chat. Put them in the chat. So put it in the chat if you want me to check it out. Let's go look at Sui. Sui's a big one. As you can see, I had Sui in this channel right here. And then, like a dumbass, I forgot about it, and it broke out. So I have to wait for it to come back down to retrace at some point in time from this bottom here. Boom. So, see, had a retrace. Boom, boom. So I'm going to see. Looks like it's going to do another retrace. Start and form a little channel. If it does, I'll get another entry point here at $2.96. That would be a good entry point. And then if it falls down even more, I will wait to 269 and get another entry point, and then I'll go all in. It'll be blast off move mission. Boom. If you go look at it on the daily, this is what I had gave my group because there was a big cup and handle, and I will show that to you real quick. As you can see, big cup and handle, and we got this measured move from the bottom of the cup and handle to the top of the cup and handle is your measured move. And as you can see, you put it right there at the break of it, and it is almost at the measured move. This was Sui. So Sui might run up to $3.82 before it pulls back and has a retrace. Okay, you're starting to get volume come in right now, as you can see. That volume is starting to come in. So V-Chain, as I'm looking at all the coins that I have right now. So if you want me to look at something, you better put it in the chat. V-Chain, as you see, broke out that channel, and it's retracing back because it retraced back, and it's probably going to come back down like the rest of them, depending on what Bitcoin does. Perfect bottom right here. Boom, boom. And that's on the daily. See what it looks like on the hour. Now it's going to come back down. You're going to get a bounce of that RSI right here. And that RSI is at 33. See, 33 verse. When you get that bounce, boom, you in the money. in the money. And this is on the hour chart. Look at the 4-hour chart right here. And when VeChain runs, it will run up. The first major resistance that you will have will be right here at 5 cents. At 0.055 cents. Okay, that is if you catch it from right here, that would be a 119% profit. If it does go all the way down here to the bottom and you catch it, that would be 186% profit. Right? So, and if you're going to, I wouldn't leverage trade. I would spot trade this right here. But if you're going to leverage trade, I would buy the breakout. Buy the breakout if you're going to leverage trade. Okay, don't buy it down or buy it at the bottom when it touches, if it touches. That's what you would need to do. One of my favorite coins, YFI. As you can see, I already charted this on the 4-hour. This yesterday in my other Discord. As you can see, it's come down right here, and it's either going to break up or it's going to break down. See, with my smaller time frame came up, it hasn't broke past this right here, so it's going to fall back down some more. It's probably going to fall all the way down right here, and then look right here. You have on the small time frame, you have a cup and handle right here too. So it's probably going to come all the way down to about right here again. But it's a good entry point to get in right now. You can get into this right now. And this is YFI. You can get into this right now, and then it's going to run up, and you're not going to see any resistance until $11,230. Okay? So entry point on a smaller time frame. We have a cup and handle. It's running out of room in this triangle, ascending triangle. Blast off. RSI is going to come back down, but it needs to pass this yellow right here. If it does, then it's a go ahead and enter. If it doesn't, then it's going to fall back down to here, $6,116, and then blast off and bust out of this ascending triangle. And you just wait for your profits to come in, wait for it to hit the targets of that I gave you. Right here, boom. First major resistance. You had major resistance right here, and look what the price did. It fall down to this triangle. Bust out of that triangle, and you're good to go. Money, money, money. Nice bull pennant right here. Beautiful bull pennant. This is damn near textbook. You got your flag pole right here, your pennant pole, and then your pennant. All right, so let's go look at PopCat. See what PopCat doing. Gave this to the group a couple of days ago, and as you can see, had the breakout, boom, and now it's formed a new channel. It broke out of this channel. Now it's coming back to retest. Where are we at? So it's ranging right now. So it's probably going to come back down into this channel again. When it comes back down into this channel, that's when you pull the trigger and buy. That's when you pull the trigger and buy. And Moon Mission. Because the next time PopCat doesn't come, as you can see, after it breaks out of this right here, it's in price discovery. So it could go to whatever. Turbo's on an ascending triangle right now, right? Ascending triangle. It's on not ascending triangle, ascending trend line, upward trend line. Turbo's getting ready to rocket, right? Right. This is the daily. Let me look at the hour and 4 hours. See what it's doing. See what happened? Cup and handle. Boom. Run up. Now you have the retrace back down. The flag, the pennant. You have that pennant flying right there. Now it's creating a channel, and it looks like right. So it's probably gonna come back down again. And then on the smaller time frame, on the 5 minute, you got this cup and handle right here too. So if you wanted to make a real quick trade, then you could make a quick trade. Wait about 10 minutes. Boom, I got your money. On the 10 minute, if you trade on the 10 minute, you got a cup and handle on the 10 minute too. So you want to wait if you want to trade the 10 minute time frame, wait 20 minutes, boom, got your money. So forth, so forth. It's one on the 15. It was one right here on the 30. It's one on the 45. Oh shit. I think this is getting ready to go bananas. This is getting ready to go bananas. Cause look, on the 8 hour you got the cup and handle, you had the run up. Now you got the retrace right here back down to support because this would be support. Right? This would be the support. Retrace to the support, run up, and it looks like it's getting ready to run again for they got turbo in here. Oh yeah, they got turbo in the spot trade. And we are in it. Yep, we are in it. Boom. Alright. Don't care about it falling down nothing. BC, I know I see the head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Yes, I know I see that too. I'm good. I'm gonna go ahead and enter it, and I'm gonna wait till Friday. And Friday, see if we double, triple that money. Hopefully, we tripled it instead of doubled. Again, if you're just not getting on, if there's any coin that you want me to look at, post it in the chat. All right, post it in the chat, and I'll look at it, take it out. We'll get to charting it. We will chart it. That's what we do. We chart. Give me that double bottom. Boom, boom. Top. You look at my row. Alright. Alright. Let's look at my row. I looked at my row earlier. And it was looking good. Let me see what it's looking like. Oh shit, it broke out the damn channel. Alright, so we had the double bottom right here. As you can see, perfect W. W. Boom. Run up. Double bottom. Alright, and so let's look at my row. Let's get the chart in it. So it was on the downward trend line. It broke the downward trend line right here. This is the daily chart. Remember, a lot of times when you trade these meme coins, you need to trade them on the daily chart. You can't trade them on a small time frame. So keep that in mind. On that weekly, see that rounded bottom starting to, that hook starting to form? That's good. That means that when it does take off, it's going to blast off. I mean, really, really take off. Really, really take off. Let's look at it on the hourly. Smaller time frame. You got a cup and handle on the hourly, and you see that run up right there. Cup and handle formed range, and then it ran up. 4 hour chart. I would wait because its RSI is oversold. So I would wait for it to come back. I would wait for it to come back down toward the 35. Which would bring it back down and around here. So what it's most likely going to do, you're going to see a pullback on it, and you're going to see a pullback either to right here, to the top of this right here, which would be 11 cents 998. And if it breaks through that, then it's coming down here to 09838. And then I would buy at those times. So I would DCA. So it broke this resistance. So it's going to pull back. As you can see, it's oversold. RSI is at 72, 71. So it's probably going to go up even more. Um, Look at the smaller time frame. See the smaller time frame right here. If this doesn't bust through this yellow MA, then it's going to fall back down. It's going to come back down to right here, and you could get a bounce. But um, which is most likely what it's going to do, because that, as you can see on the 1 minute, the very smallest time frame, it's already starting to do that now. So yeah, I would wait, and I would put in 10% of what I'm trying to put in here at 13,262. I would put in another 10% or 20% at 11,945, and then if it falls down to the 9838, that's when I would go all in and ready for that bounce. That's what I would do. Because when it bounces, like I said, when it bounces, you're not going to see any resistance, any major resistance, until you get to right here. So you're not going to see any major resistance until 31 cents. Right? And so what profit is that? That is, if you were to buy it right here on the breakout, bought the breakout, that's 136%. If it does fall down here to right here to the very bottom where I told you that 0.98, that's 224%. So money, bang bang. But as you can see on that daily, the daily is oversold, so it'll probably take a week or two for it to come down. That's why I would more than likely trade on the 4 hour, because within the next or the 1 hour actually, because the next 24 to 48 hours it'll come back in that price range, and then you'll see the 4 hour start to come down, but it'll probably bounce. Yeah, exactly. DCA on drop. Yeah, DCA on the drop down. But sometimes it might. Sometimes it falls back to like. Cause look, check this out. You see right here. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a major support line, so you could get a bounce right here at 11,908. Because it's a major. It was a major resistance line, so it turns into a major support. So yeah. But if I was going to do a spot trade or anything like that, then I would get it. I would wait for it to fall down. As soon as it starts falling, I would start DCAing in. You can look at Burt. Radium. Okay, so shit. Look at that. When did this coin come out? October 1st. This is a 4 hour chart. Got a big ass cup and handle. So look at that cup and handle right there on the 4 hour chart, and then look at that shit. Look at that profit. Congratulations to you that got into Burt and got all that profit. Congratulations. I missed this one. Man, oh man. All right, so let's go. We're going to have to go to the smaller time frames to do this. So this is the 10 minute. We have an upward trend line right here. Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy as hell. It's crazy breakout. So what I would do, you can either enter Burt now for a not for a day, not for, well, hold on. This shit is severely oversold. Let me see something. Real quick. On this 8 hour chart, we had this right here. And it came down to the 6. Okay. Let me see something real quick. We're gonna check this out. We're gonna go to the 1 hour chart, and y'all bear with me now. So here's what I think. I think Burt is gonna fall down to the 618 fib to 0.02516, and then it's gonna blast off. Right, exactly. Wait on the retrace, but you want to wait on the retrace to right here, this price, 2 cents, two and a half cents. That's what you want to wait till. Shit. Let me see what we can find here. Solana stacks. This is block stacks. Clean all this stuff up. Block stacks is in accumulation mode. As you can see, it's starting to form that rounded bottom of the cup and handle. And this is of the daily. So it's in accumulation mode. If you are looking for a trade, like to trade with leverage, like a day trade, let's see if we can find you one from here. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Let's see. So this RSI it's going to come down some more. It's still under this MSA, this MA, so it's going to come down some more. Price action is going to come down some more. I would enter, like if I want to do a day trade on this hour chart, then this would take effect probably around sometime tomorrow morning, like around 9ish, maybe noon, something like that. But this would be my entry point right here. This would be my entry point. And I would get that price for you. Let's see here. What is that price? Gotcha. So $1.71 would be my entry point. I hate crooked lines. And looks like major resistance would be right here at $3.13. And you won't encounter any more. If it breaks through that, the next resistance that you'll encounter at would be $3.85, major resistance. And after that, price discovery. So you can either enter here, or you can do the safe thing, the safest thing, which is buy the breakout, which would be buy the breakout of $1.96. Soon as price goes above $1.96, that's when you enter that trade on 5x, 10x, whatever X's you're going to use. Then you do that and you break it out. Boom. You know what I'm saying? You have that breakout, and there you go. And first take profit, let's see what level is this. First take profit would be $3.07. Second take profit would be $3.90. Now every setup that I give you this in advance. So you may have to wait a day or two, sometimes 3 days before it takes effect, but it's going to bang. Okay, it's going to bang. And case in point is Pepe. Right? Pepe. I charted this a couple of days ago, and I seen what it was going to do. Boom, get out of there. Now this is an hour chart. I charted it again for my Discord group, and look at it. Hit everything perfectly. Entry point 1, entry point 2, and this is for the retrace. Okay, If you're interested into getting into Pepe, and you're trying to find an entry point into Pepe, all right, the price action is coming down. As you can see, it's like it's topping out a little bit. RSI is moving sideways. When the RSI moves sideways, it means it's topping out a little bit. So you're going to get that fall. So if you get that fall, if it bounces at the second entry point, you want to buy that bounce. But if it doesn't bounce, you're holding and you're being patient, and you see, oh, it fell through entry point 2. Now it's following the entry point 1. I'm going to wait till it gets close to entry point 1. Then I'm going to enter my trade, and boom. Or you can wait for it, and because if it falls back to entry point 1, you're going to have that double bottom, right? It'll form that W. But if you want to wait and play it safe and buy the breakout, then you would wait for it to fall back and hit entry point 1, and you wouldn't enter because it could be a fake out. And when it comes back up, and as soon as it breaks this entry point 2, you going in, you entering that trade because you know it's not a fake out. And then you have move mission, because right now Pepe is in price discovery. Pepe is in price discovery. Okay, price discovery, and that means that it can run and it can go at any point in time. Right there's no resistance. There's nowhere where it's not going to stop. Appreciate it, man. I've been trying to work on some things and get things to be more aesthetically pleasing for the audience or whatnot. So I appreciate that. I'm looking at everything, really. To be honest with you, I'm not shying away from nothing. I'm looking at everything. I have a hold bag that's going to be my retirement bag, and then I have a trade bag, and then I trade. So I'm doing it all. I'm not holding anything out. And Ando is looking good on that hour chart. Cup and handle has it run up, comes back down, boom. Now let's see if it's going to retrace back down to the top of this cup and handle. Looks like it's already starting it a little bit. Had a V-shaped recovery right here though, and the reason why, I bet you that's a Fibonacci level. I'd be willing to bet you it is. Yep, golden pocket. Boom, reverse. Now, if it comes back down to the golden pocket again, that'll be that double bottom, and you're going to have blast off moon mission. Blast off. If it blasts off, let me clean some of this shit up right here. I'll show you guys where it will go to. And see, this is from the past, and it is way back here in March or April. I had did retracement. As you can see, that price ran up, but it came back down to what? Buy boxes from March, buy box from March, buy box from March, buy box from March. So it's getting ready to blast off again. It's perfect, perfect. So I would accumulate some Ando on the spot trade. I'm just removing some of these things, so clean some of this stuff up. As you can see. All right, now let's get as you can see, boom. At the top, downward trend line, broke the downward trend line, retested to the top of the break of the trend line. As you can see, broke below the support and then ran up. Now it's right here at the retracement of the, what was that? The hour. And look, the 4 hour, you got a cup and handle. 1 hour, you got a cup and handle. Man, this is the play right here. This is the play that y'all want to get into right now. This is the play. It's at 85 cents right now, and it's chopping sideways. This is the play. 5 hours is starting to run up. 10 is starting. It's bringing the 10 minute. Bringing the 15 minute hasn't started just yet, but it's a big ass cup and handle on the 15 minute. I just got in a turbo. Ain't even gonna take much. I'm just gonna take a little bit out of this. I'm gonna put it in Ondo. I ain't really want to take much. My cell not go through? Hold on. Was it not successful? What did I say I had? Forgot what I just had. Oh, turbo. That's what it was. Tripping. Nah, it didn't go through. All right, but I'm gonna stay in turbo for right now. But Ondo is is something that I'm looking at. Ondo's a good play, especially on this 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Cup and handle. It's already retraced and it's getting ready to run back up. 30-minute, 45 in an hour. So you got a cup and handle on every time frame. And it's getting ready to form that double bottom, that W. See that? You just need to come on down right there and so Ondo, you might want to check that out. If you just now logging on, just now tuning in, put a coin that you want me to look at in the chat if you want me to check anything out. So, right, so put it in there and I'll take a look at it. Damn, this coin looking good on a 30-minute Sinverse. This is a meme coin. This is a video first person shooter game. And it is on Binance BNB. This is getting ready to rock it. This is getting ready to rock it. Oh man. Shit. The fuck was it at? So obviously, this is the daily chart right here. So if you're wondering, this is the resistance point at. This is the support, and right now, if you want to make a lot of fucking money right now, I would put a lot of money into this on a spot trade and wait. The all-time high priorly was 6 cents. This is the shit that people be saying that, oh man, I put $100 in and turned it into $2 million or $100 million. Damn show. I have to keep that one in mind. Sinverse. Matter of fact, let's see what Sinverse looks like. I know what it looks like, but I'm gonna show y'all. This is what Sinverse looks like. Palm trees. Here. That better. Yeah, it is. It is a meme coin, but this is the game though, and their Discord is on fire. Like the game's been live for like a year and a half. It's like GTA on the blockchain. They got the screen gauge. Let's look at some of this shit so I can show y'all. I know it's a sound somewhere. I got to because I can't hear nothing. Nothing from the game. Let's go ahead and watch it. So let's see.
Welcome to the Sinverse. Sinverse is an open-world, play-to-earn online game where you can reap the rewards of living out your very own Mafia fantasies. It's the world's very first R-rated metaverse, where you can buy land and develop it into a profitable business, or your very own personal Sinverse paradise. Come and play in a world where crime pays. Sinverse is made up of 17 different districts, each with their own unique properties, land types, and factions. Your district will determine what missions you can undertake and what kind of business licenses are available, so choose your locations wisely. Your faction may task you to infiltrate a rival gang, commit crimes, and explore the dark side of the Sinverse, all while raising your faction standing and earning tokens while you play. Sinverse has 15,000 different parcels of land to choose from. So there's tons of opportunity to buy land, turn your development visions into a reality, and create your own Sinverse business empire. You can sell your land on the NFT marketplace, or rent your land and get paid while other players do the heavy lifting. But choose your district and allegiances wisely, because the most powerful people will make decisions that impact the entire metaverse. Every 2 months, Sinverse conducts new land sales, so you can claim your territory strategically while you plot your faction's takeover.
And so, just to show y'all, like I said, this game gonna make a lot of people fucking rich. Watch. This is their Discord. It is very active. People, like I said, the game is live. So, it's been live. Last time they posted in their Discord was 3 days ago, actually. Passive income for landowners, Sinverse, etc. Competition is hotting up. You still got time to release your content, etc. See what the mini announcement is. Have a battle show arena that was last month. Okay, so yeah, as a trade and all that kind of stuff, in my opinion, I'm putting some money into it. It's looking good. Let's see here. Let's look at Ponky. See, these meme coins finna get ready to explode, man. Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at Ponky. This is on the daily. Now, if I were to go to the 8 hour, look at that cup and handle. The higher the time frame of the breakout, the bigger it is. Eight hour looking lovely, Ponky. Look at this. And the measured move is going to be what? From the bottom to the top of the cup. So you're going to look right here. You'll get the move to 99 cents, just under $1. And then it'll pull back. And then this right here will come support. The support will be 76 to 72 cents, and then it'll go up for the next leg. So that's how you let's look at, y'all give me another one to look at. Let's look at Trump. Something tell me that this, I have a sneaky suspicion that this coin is not dead. Why? Because you don't really see a dump like that. Like, like you did Luna C and all them. Which Luna C, you need to buy Luna C. If you can get your hands on some Luna C, Terra Classic Luna, you need to get you some. But as you can see, it's at the very bottom. And if it was to have a breakout, you have right here $9, 14, and then 17. Oh, I need to look at Stellar. I haven't looked at XLM. Let me look at XLM. Oh yeah, so I'm waiting. Just wait for the retrace on XLM for it to retrace down to 10 cents. You can start DCNA in at 12 cents, but you need to be all the way in your position at 10 cents. Okay, and you have resistance at 19 cents. Just might as well just say 20 cents. Resistance at 20 cents. And if it breaks through that, next resistance is up here. 45, 79. XLM. What is that all-time high? And then this all-time high is 93 cents. What is this? 79. 93 cents. And then breaks through that, it will be in price discovery. Right? So price discovery is what Pepe is doing. It's never been in that territory before. So it runs up, then it has a pullback, decide what it want to do. And there's Pepe again. As you see, it's pulling back. Let's look at 30 minute. Let's get a smaller time frame. At the smaller time frame, it bounced, but it's bouncing back down. So it's probably going to come back down into this channel. And if it does, you got your entry points. And go get your money. Go eat. Right? So I try to make it simple and easy, and I try to give it to you, the setup, in advance before it happens. And sometimes we miss them. And if you miss them, like right here, there's always a chance to catch it back. Right? So if you are watching and you're in my Discord, in the Discord watching or whatnot, then what you can do is, like I say, you can wait for the breakout and then wait for the retrace and just buy the retrace every time. But this is a simple, easy trading method. Trading support and resistance. All right. And so I'll start doing more videos of this right here. We'll start going live more, and I'll start giving you guys more plays, and we can do it live together. And I'll just upload the video. I'm going to start back uploading my morning videos again with the Bitcoin analysis and crypto analysis. And we'll start back with the Coin Hunters videos and with the, what else did we had? The Sunday Night Hangout. Yeah, Sunday Night Hangout. All right, so visit our radio station, Non-Fungi Radio. All right, we broadcast live on the internet. And we're thinking about bringing a crypto show to the radio station. So we bring that crypto show to the radio station, you can get some sponsors. And if you're interested in becoming a sponsor, then reach out to us and we can see what we can do to, get your sponsorship on our up-and-coming radio show that we're going to have on our radio station, Non-Fungi Radio, okay? So thank you for supporting the channel. Go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your friends and let them know that if they miss it this time, they got to wait another 4 years. And prices are not going to be this low. You're not going to be able to take $100, $200 and turn it into six figures, etc., etc. Okay, the next bull run. This is the last opportunity that you're going to have. All right. So this is Crypto Crane, and I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Peace.